Is your Windows 11 PC feeling sluggish and unresponsive? Today, I'll show you how to clear the RAM cache on Windows 11 to boost performance and get your computer running smoothly again. First, we're going to access the Run Dialog Box. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously on your keyboard. A small window will pop up in the lower left corner of your screen. In the Run Dialog Box, type this text in memory diagnostic exactly as you see it on the screen. Double check the spelling to make sure it is correct, then click OK or press Enter. This will open the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. You'll see two options. Select the first option, which says Restart Now, and check for problems recommended. This will immediately restart your computer and begin the memory diagnostic process. Your computer will restart and run a memory test. This process might take several minutes, so be patient. Do not interrupt the process. Once the test is complete, your computer will automatically restart again and boot back into Windows. After the restart, the memory diagnostic results will appear in the notification area of your taskbar. Click on the notification icon to view the details. If the notification does not appear, don't worry. You can still access the results through the Event Viewer. Click on the Start button and type Event Viewer, then press Enter. In the Event Viewer, expand Windows Logs in the left pane, and then click on System in the right pane. Click Find and type Memory Diagnostic, then click Find Next. The results of the memory diagnostic test will be displayed in the Details pane. If any errors were found, it's a good idea to consult a technician. If no errors were found, congratulations! You have successfully cleared your RAM cache and hopefully improved your PC's performance. That's all there is to it. Clearing your RAM cache on Windows 11 is a simple process that can make a noticeable difference. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.